We tried the kayak out at Oru Lake. Very pretty. Okay, let's set this up so we can get it down to the water. How they say you could put it in like less than a minute. Let's launch it. Let's see. Let's see, how am I gonna get in? No. Actually, it's pretty easy, honey. I think because it's shallow right here. There, like that. And then, just have to push it out. See ya. This is pretty nice. Just a relaxing day at the lake. It's actually a beautiful day. It's very easy to do. Oh, look behind you. There's a little puppy. Hi, honey. Okay, let's hope I don't crash into you. Oh, there's Bam Bam. Those guys said yesterday they caught a 15-pound carp. Is it carp, honey? Let's see if you can catch the drone.
Here we go.
Got it. Good job, honey.
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime. Just grilling some sausages for lunch.
Oh.
Smells so good already.